Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking to hit your protein goals and you want the bonus of a delicious sweet treat, you have to check out the WELLBAR. Now, this little bar contains 20 grams of protein. So awesome if you are even just trying to curb your appetite between meals or you want to up your protein intake. It's super portable. I love that I can just throw this in my purse and have this at any point. If you crave sweets, you are going to love this, especially the fact that it has only 2 grams of sugar, which you would never know. Now, it's not super sweet, but it definitely hits the spot. It is filled with caramel. It is dipped in chocolate. It has such a great texture. It reminded my husband instantly of a super popular chocolate bar. So it's got that nice gooey texture. Before a workout, after a workout, anytime you need a little boost, I would definitely recommend this protein bar. It is much better than other bars I've had. I actually reach for this one, whereas others, it's almost torture to eat them. This one is honestly a really nice treat on its own with coffee at the end of the day to start your day. Whenever you want to enjoy this, I know you will, and that's my point of view.